Today on the Farley farm. Oh, there's a way. Oh yeah. We're gonna try to do the impossible. I have in my hand a net. I have a target of a chicken. These chickens can fly very good. And so, there they go. We're gonna try to net us a chicken, ain't we, Mama? There's no way, Mama says. And we're gonna get it on camera, ain't we, Scooter? Not only am I gonna get a chicken in a net, I'm gonna get it on camera. Good bird. Burp, burp. I want to get that rooster first. So I think if I can get him, I can get her. Easy, baby. Easy, baby. Whoa, whoa. Easy, baby. Whoa, whoa. Let's go back this way. Nope, don't go to the... They roost up in them woods. Don't go, don't. Burp, burp, burp. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Them jokers can scare. Oh, my gosh. Burp, burp. Burp, burp. There you go. Go around that way. Go around that way, baby. Nice and easy does it, bird. Nice and easy. Easy, bird. Burp. Burp, burp, burp. They're going back around the other way. Oh, jeez. I need this to... Oh, my Lord. Now, I have speared them before, basically, with the net. Easy. Mama, run them this way. Just walk this way. Burp, burp. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come this way, Mama.
Come on, everybody.
Burp, burp. Easy, buddy. Easy. Here he goes. There he goes. He's gone. I'm like so far away. This is... Burp. I've been trying to catch these chickens for over a week. I set up a trap. I did all kind of stuff. Why ain't you helping me? Uh-oh. Split them up and then they'll be... Derp. Walk this way. Easy. I'm like 20 feet away. Like I'm not even close. Burp, burp. You're okay. You're on the other side. Oh, up. Where'd you go? Okay, we can do that. I can go that way. Go around this way. Go around this way. Pin them to the house. Come on, get on this side of the swing set. Stay right here at the table. Come over here. Yep, come on, keep coming. All right, hold what you got. Hold, baby, hold what you...
Let's go!
Hold, baby. Oh, easy. Don't. Get the skate open. Come on, baby. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no. Okay. If I can get within 10 feet, I can spear them. Hold on, stay right there. Whoa, Mama. This is going the way I want it to. Come this way a little bit. There we go. Just don't. All right, stay right there. Stay right there. Come on. Keep them this way. Keep them this way. There you go. Up. That's what I want right there. Having fun. Having fun. Good bird. Mama, the other way. Go that way. Come on. Having fun. Whoop, look, pay attention. Having fun. Come on to me. Come on to me. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. Come. Do the bicycle, baby. What? Oh, wow. Oh. No. Okay. Oh, boy. All right. See what he did. Let me see what he did. Where is he? There he is. Where are you going? Oh my gosh, he's fast. He's fast. Let's see where that hen went. Oh, she's over there at the building. All right. We got this. If I get one, I'm gonna be happy. Hey, baby. Hey. Burp. All right, I think I can do this. Hold on, Mama. Nope, don't go that way. No, don't go that way. Don't go that way to the tree. Don't go to the tree. Nope, don't go to the tree. There we go. Come back this way. Go the other way. It's done. Well, that's that. Try it again later.
Yay!
Sometimes that's how it is on the farm. It's just sometimes that's how it is in life. And the right scooter. Just going after something. Can't quite get it, can you? Look at that big old nose. Scooter says hey. Alright, we'll see y'all later. I'll get you. I'll get it. I'll get them. Don't worry.